Philippe there. The first question would be, I don't understand. You claim that if you develop products faster, then the product that is developed as better improve quality. That does not make sense to me. Do you have to increase the cost dimension of the scope triangle?
Yeah, you see everywhere from university and whatever things about the iron triangle of projects. You know, if you go faster, to get a better result, you have to either take more time, spend more money, whatever, all these sorts of things, right? And I'm saying the faster you go, the cheaper it will be and the better quality it will be. I discovered that myself. It wasn't obvious to me initially. I come from, initially in my career, from the world of production, okay, where I implemented many times Toyota production system solutions, or the Toyota way. And in that you have a factory, and it used to take 10 weeks to do something, to produce something, and you end up doing it in just 2 weeks, right? And when you do it in 2 weeks, if you do it properly, like Toyota does, not only are you going 5 times faster, but the quality will be a lot better, right? Much less scrap, much less, many fewer problems, and the costs of your product will be significantly reduced also, because you've got rid of all the non-value added stuff, basically. Okay, so people have now got used to that idea in factories, right? If I do it properly, if I produce something faster, like Toyota, I will get better quality and I will have reduced cost. It's the same in projects, right? If you do it faster and get rid of all the wasted time, the wasted meetings, the back and forth, the incoherent specifications, and also and whatever, right? You will end up with a better product, easier to make, cheaper, and yet you've done it twice as fast as you used to, right? So yeah, it's fascinating. That's not what people ask us for when they implement critical chain. They don't believe that. They just want to finish on time or finish faster and all this sort of stuff. But the good news is, simultaneously anyway, you can't help it, you will also get a significant increase in the quality of the product and the quality of the work life, right? You think the job of a PMO should be sort of suicidal, nervous breakdown stuff. It's not true. You can have a lot of fun being in charge of a portfolio of new products. It should be pride and joy for everybody. You have in your hands, in your portfolio, you have the future of the company, right? So it should be fun, exciting stuff.